You can stay comfortable or you can change your life. But you cannot have both. Comfort feels safe, right? Same routine, same income, same excuses. You know exactly what tomorrow looks like because it's just like today. But here's the truth that nobody wants to hear. Comfort is expensive. It costs you growth. It costs you opportunities. It costs you the life you keep saying you want. Because changing your life, that's uncomfortable. It means taking risks. It means starting before you feel ready. It means doing things most people are too scared to do. And that's why most people stay stuck. Not because they can't change, no, but because they won't leave what is familiar. But you have a choice right now. A year from now, you can still be on the same place, or you can be living a completely different life. So decide, comfort or change. If you want change, ask me how in the comments, and I'll send it to you.